Here's measure 13 and 14 of the All District Honor Band, also Honor Band solo for Middle School Trumpet 2022. 1, 2, measure 13. Working out the D to C sharp to D, E, F. Those are kind of tough fingerings to be able to move through. So make sure your hands are in a position where you can really control your fingers. Don't have like a weird sideways hold or something. Have your hand in a good spot. Here it is again, 13. Ready. And this is still mezzo forte. You want to make sure that the opening is big, not sneaky. Ready.